There are so many warning signs of depression, of suicide. Before a person commits suicide, this person have shown warning signs for months. They have been, they have isolated people, because before you even act, you first think about it, and that process of suicidal ideations, it takes time. Okay, someone have not been eating, they are losing weight, they're not talking, they're oversleeping. So one thing that should come to the mind of an individual is that no, this person needs help. For us as professionals, we encourage any kind of suicidal ideation should be handled as an emergency, because it's an emergency situation. Thank you so much.